WhatsApp on Tuesday moved the Delhi High Court against the new rules announced in February for digital media companies, saying the requirement for them to adopt features such as traceability for identifying originators of messages violated the right to privacy under the Indian law and the company's end-to-end encryption policy. It said the company does not believe traceability can be imposed in a way that cannot be spoofed or modified, leading to new ways for people to be framed for things they did not say or do. Fuchsia is Google's latest operating system for the Google Home Hub. The OS is only available for the first-generation Home Hub devices. Fuchsia was launched quietly. It wasn't even mentioned at Google's I/O conference last week. Fuchsia is a built-from-scratch operating system that uses a microkernel that was developed in-house. Its primary app development language is Flutter. The new system isn't expected to change the UI or functionality of the Home Hub. Google may expand Fuchsia to smartphones and laptops by 2023. Valve has been secretly building a Switch-like portable PC to run games on the Steam PC platform via Linux. The latest version of Steam has new hardware-related code for a device named SteamPal. Previous versions of Steam used a different codename, Neptune. Switch-like PC devices have exploded in popularity in recent years. At least one SteamPal prototype is wider than the Nintendo Switch. It will likely be able to dock to larger monitors through a USB Type-C port. Valve has a history of creating, incubating, and canceling projects, so things can change at any time. A new processor with the codename Morpheus continually rewrites its own architecture, making it impossible for attackers to use side-channel attacks that affect conventional x86 processors. Morpheus was able to fend off 580 experts, who spent a collective 13,000 hours trying to hack a system run by it. With Morpheus, even if a hacker finds a vulnerability, the information needed to exploit it disappears 50 milliseconds later. The approach doesn't stop every kind of attack that can be launched against it, but it demonstrates that better protection from side-channel attacks is possible. The Chicago Police Department is using an algorithm to predict whether citizens will be involved with a shooting incident. While the system identifies people who might be involved with an incident, it doesn't say on which side the citizen might be involved. This resulted in a citizen with no record of violence being continually contacted by the police, which caused the person to be targeted twice by violent crime. The system uses data from police stops and arrests to make educated guesses about what might happen. Using this kind of system could put entire populations at risk of over-policing. Instagram has started to roll out data analytics for live videos and reels on the platform. The new feature will allow creators to better understand their performance online. With the new insights data in place, users will be able to see how many plays, likes, comments, saves and shares their short videos get, and how many accounts they reach and gadget reported. For live videos, the Instagram Insights page will show the number of comments and shares they get, the number of accounts they reach and of their peak concurrent viewers.